All right, my love. So if you guys are looking for skincare, I have so many items to show you at Dollar Tree. Check this out. All right, so first up, they have the Global Beauty Peptide Facial Serum, Vitamins A, C, and E, and Collagen Smooth and Glow Restore, $1.25. They also have the Power Serum, 6 benefits in 1, refined texture, even tone, firm, hydrate, smooth, and brightens, $1.25 as well. Okay, so you guys said you was looking for some new items, right? Have you seen this? This is the feminine bar from Orchid. Okay, $1.25. Now, pH balance, microbiome friendly, honey. I hope I'm pronouncing it. I know I checked that up. Enriched with natural oils, $1.25. Now, some other amazing items Dollar Tree has is the gemstone, right? This is from Global Beauty as well. They have the rose quartz shimmering facial serum, the amethyst facial scrub. They also have the jade, and another hit is the Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask. Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. This is from Global Beauty, of course. They also have this as well, the Super Berry Hydrate and Jelly Cream. Now, I had purchased the moisturizer that they had like in a little glass bottle. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And when it comes to this, you only need a little drop of it. You don't need a whole bunch of it. They also have the exfoliate and jelly cleanser with hyaluronic acid, $1.25. Cleanser, honey, you see it, $1.25. All right, some also amazing items Dollar Tree has is the dragon fruit and mango gel cleansing moisturizing face mask. They also have the watermelon overnight cream hydrating and nourishing face mask. These are $1.25. Oh wait, honey, they also have the coconut overnight cream. Honey, they got a few of these. The pomegranate peel off, and then also the pineapple peel off, $1.25. So if you guys are looking for something for your feet that's going to smooth it and exfoliates, is definitely the Onyx Professional Softer Feet. These are $1.25. Hugs your heels, they say. Really cute. Okay, so Dollar Tree has new makeup brushes like this one right here. Professional quality. They also have the gold one. The gold one I absolutely love. It's just really the color for me. Oh, this is cute. The makeup brush, the Sassy Plus Chic. This is really cute. The pink and white. I like that. And then they also have this one. Same exact one. Another amazing item is the Perfecta 4-in-1, the Maybelline New York. This is $1.25. I absolutely like this. It has the primer, the concealer, the base, and also the corrector. I mean, it's 4-in-1 like it says. Dollar Tree also have another liquid foundation. This is the Prideful foundation, and it appears, I think they only have about 2 different shades, and it says see me. Okay, honey, I see ya. Now, Dollar Tree have a few items that you may have not seen. They have the earwax cleaners, removes wax, relieves itch, exfoliates work instantly. This is $1.25. Remove debris from the ear entrance. Love this. They also have the assorted blister cushions. This is $1.25 as well. You get 5 cushions. All right, family. So new items at Dollar Tree. Check this out. Now, I know some of you guys was looking for these cups over here. These are really gorgeous. Love these for $1.25. No, honey, I think these are $1.50. But these are also gorgeous. Look at these glass jars. Really cool. Pumpkin theme. Absolutely love this. The orange is definitely my thing, like a chicken wing. Now, no. So first up, they have the flashing headbands, 3 functions, the skeletons, really cute, $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these trays over here, these Halloween themed trays, and these are $1.50 as well. They come in two different colors. They have the black, and then they also have the red. I'm so, a red girl when it comes to these trays. Cool item that Dollar Tree has is the glow in the dark trays. These are so cute. They also have these ghost trays over here as well. 3 of them that glows in the dark. Absolutely love this. If you guys are looking for plates, Halloween theme, glows in the dark, how many of these you get? Oh, 4-pack for $1.50. This is amazing. Honey, they have the whole setup. Okay, they have the bowls, the plates, the trays. $1.50. All right, so another amazing items at Dollar Tree is these tumblers over here. You guys know that they come out every year around this time with new tumblers. They have the silver, the purple. I definitely love this orange. They have the glow in the dark ones. Although this is the first time I'm seeing the glow in the dark ones. They also, I seen them, first time around this time. They also have the silver ones over here. They have these tumblers. I absolutely love the orange and yellow. Really cool. And then what's really my favorite is these stackable mugs up here. These are really cool. Look at this. Love this. Dollar Tree also have the mushroom pop mix that comes in about 3 different colors. These are cute. $1.50. I had seen these last year, these K-Tom glasses. I absolutely love these with the sprinkles on here. These are really cool. $1.25. So if you guys are looking to purchase your Christmas items, Dollar Tree definitely has them out right now. Ooh, these DIY ornaments, these are cute. They big as ever. $1.25. They also have the 6 Christmas trees, the little ornaments over here, mini bows, more Christmas items, confetti over here, the little Christmas trees. They have the Christmas trees over here. These are $1.50. Really cool. Gnomes over here. Okay, Black Santa. Okay, they also have the snowflakes over here, and then also the tree skirt. Another cool item Dollar Tree has is the 5 times stronger than paper. These snap cloth like wipes, wet and clean 150 wipes. Now they say on here like you can make your own scented wipes out of these wet and clean wipes. I think this is really cool. I believe these are $1.50. Another item that Dollar Tree has started selling is the Softly Refreshing Wig Dry Shampoo, Coconut Hibiscus. So a few months ago, I had went to the beauty supply store, and this is like the dupe for Tresemme, right? So I had wound up getting the actual one, and I think that was like $7 or $8. Honey, you could come right to Dollar Tree, get the Spa Luxury Professional Heat Defense Spray for all hair types, House Protect Hair. I should have came and got this. This is $1.25. So another hot find name brand is these goodies over here, medium to thick. These crest free hair ties. You get 5 count for $1.25. They also have the Invisible Bobble. This is the kids one though, and you get 3 of these for $1.25. Now, another item that I had seen months ago, and Dollar Tree has started, I guess, bringing it back in, is the taper curling wands. These are $10 and definitely only sold at certain locations, because I know the Dollar Tree by my house, they definitely don't carry nothing like this. Okay, but there's been some stores where, as though I did see the taper curling wand and also the straightening, the flat irons. Another cool item Dollar Tree has is the Hedgehog dryer boards. You get 2 of these for $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for a table runners, Dollar Tree definitely has this. This puts me in a mind. This is like old school to me. It gives me old school vibes. These are $1.50. But this one is definitely nice. I like this one. This one is gold, and then they also have this one. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine was definitely the cleansing feminine bar. That looked really, really interesting. Absolutely. Honey, this Dollar Tree, I think we in Nutley. Is this Nutley or Clifton? One of them. I have the location and pinned on a video, but this Dollar Tree, they always have some exciting finds, really, really good stuff and new items, by the way. With that being said, keep rocking out, believe in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.